Remember this photo? Senator Bong Go shared it online to dispel rumors President Duterte had gone to Singapore for medical treatment. An online seller made an ad out of it. Tuta ng KuChina's caricature became a hit, netizens garnering over 11,200 shares. A few hours after posting it, the chili oil was sold out. Because of the ad, the seller earned both praise and criticism. In a separate post, Tuta ng KuChina explained the business was named after these puppies.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.